guys, I'm Sam from Glam Extend, and today I'm going to show you how to do a bun on the top of your head, a little bit like the Molly Mae bun from Love Island. Everyone went a bit nuts about her bun, so I'm just going to show you how it is that I do mine. So you can either do it really messy, or you can do it really simple and a little bit neater. So I'm going to show you, first of all, I would grab my hair from the top, and I would do it all with my fingers, really, because I didn't really want it to be that neat and tidy. This is a really good one for me in the morning if I haven't had a chance to do anything to my hair but kind of need it to look okay. So you can see, like, I'm moving it around, it's not particularly tight. I would then go and get a hairband like this. I like these ones. They don't have any metal clips, so they're not going to snag on the hair. And then I would go in and I would put my ponytail in, and you can see, like, there's, you know, lumps and bumps everywhere, but I'm not really that worried because obviously it is just a bit of a messy kind of bun, so you don't really want it looking that neat. I'd then go along and I'd kind of pull my hair out a little bit, as you can see, and loosen it a little bit. So, you know, have a little feel around. Obviously, if it's like really bumpy at the back, then, you know, you could go over using, you know, your soft bristle brush and kind of give it a little bit of a comb around before you secure it with your band. But I'm not going to do that because I want it to kind of look a little bit messy. So my hair is up in the ponytail. I then get the brush and I pull down any little bits around my face, just because it softens it a little bit. So you've got not a lot, but you've just got a little bit that's around your face, because that will soften any kind of hairstyle that you do. So, and not, you know, not everyone wants it completely scraped off their face either. So then I get my ponytail. As you can see, it was very straight. I'd just go and I'd tease it a little bit. Not a lot. I'm not holding on to this, you know, tightly. Just drop it. So you can see where it's kind of got a little bit messy. And I've just very lightly backcombed it, just to sort of give it a little bit of volume. And then what I would do is I would take my hair very loosely and I would twist it around. I wouldn't grab every piece because I don't mind bits being down. Kind of creates the look, if you like. So you can see, just by twisting it around, I've already got that kind of bun look, but I've got this little bit here. So just tuck it underneath the hair, and now that piece is around the back here. So what I would do is I would get my little tiny clips. I absolutely love these. You can buy these in Claire Accessories, but you can also buy them in H&M. And they're only sort of, I don't know, about £4. So these are my little lifesavers. You can buy them in all sorts of different colours as well. So I would then just secure that little bit around to the back, like so. And as you can see, it's going to stay in place, bar the bit that I've missed out. So again, if there's anything that you've missed out, take it round and you can tuck it in. Tuck it under your bun, give it, you know, hide it. So there you go, there's my messy bun. You can see that it's kind of quite secure just by using the one clip. You can go on if you want to and secure the front area by just popping a little clip in the front. Depends really what, you know, how you want it to be. But again, you can now see that my hair is in the bun, and I'm going to then go along and use my hairspray. Nice little glisten so it holds it all a little bit, and then go over my little front bits. So there you go, there's my messy bun. I hope you like it.